Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, guys. So these cards are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. We have Page of Wands in reverse, Queen of Swords, and Strength in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Today, you are someone who is really talented and skilled, guys. And maybe today, there are certain things worrying you or stressing you a lot. It may be because of someone in your situation. Maybe they are sick or they are weak or they may have some kind of weakness. So they may be suffering from an illness or they may have some habits that may affect your work potential because this person is quite close to you maybe, and you are taking care of them, supporting them in every possible way, and that may be the reason for difficulties we are or you are facing today in your situation, guys. And you are someone who really works hard in your life. You are someone who does everything in the right way, or you want to do everything in the right way. But today there are certain mistakes that have happened. Maybe it may be unintentional mistakes, but you are really embarrassed because you are not the person to to do anything wrong. You try to do everything correctly. You make note of everything and you always go for the right actions. But today in your situation, some unintentional mistakes, maybe some mistakes in your work or maybe some mistakes in this relationship, and you never intended to do that, and you feel simply embarrassed and you don't know what to do, how to rectify that, and what is the right way to change your situation. So some kind of confusions or doubts because of these mistakes, and you realize that it is your mistakes maybe, and these mistakes may lead you into some kind of a difficult situation. Maybe people may become aware of this, aware of what you have done, and they may speak behind your back. So some kind of worries or embarrassed because of that, guys. And maybe in your situation you have done something wrong. Maybe you would have met someone maybe from your past life, maybe someone, and maybe you spent time with them. So maybe it is not something wrong, but still you did it without deep thinking. Maybe you did some mistakes without deep thought, maybe at the heat of the moment. So that is worrying you a lot today. It may be some mistake in your personal life or in your work situation, guys, and that is making you really embarrassed, and people may be spreading rumors or talking behind you because of this. So again, you are very much worried because of that, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship, so we will know what is the situation in your relationship. So we have Knight of Wands. So maybe in your relationship you are feeling guilty, or you are moving away from this person because of the way things have gone. So guys, this energy, it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe they would have done something wrong and you are moving away, or you have done something and they are distancing themselves from you, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Emperor. So in your work situation, things are going in a positive way, guys, and you are working with determination and a firm conviction. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys, for those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for you all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So, by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way, this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful, and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life, we must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.